Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a virus. So here we have two PCs over here. One is laptop, another one PC we have here. Here is one and here is one. I'm going to create the virus on this PC and going to transfer that virus on that PC. So let's get started. So firstly you have to open your notepad over here, notepad, and type colon A, enter, start, enter, go to A and file, save it, give it a name as a magic over here and dot bat. The bat you have to save it in bat file extension. So save it. Here we have that file called as magic. So don't double click on that or open it. So guys, don't open it on your PC, otherwise your PC will get stuck. I will transfer that code into this PC, file into this PC. So firstly you have to open your computer, and here is the network over here, and here is that PC. Right click on that, and connect with the remote desktop connection. Click on that. If it is protected with password, it will ask for password. I will enter password over here, and I enter that. PC interface will be displayed over here. So press OK. Here we have that interface, that PC interface on this laptop. So maximize it. Now simply copy that file and paste it over here. Now close it. Now here give the password 123 and enter, and here you can see that file is here, magic. If I double click on that, open it, and now you can see here the command prompt will get continuously open because of the loop program. So the operator even can't do any other operation on this PC. The PC will get stuck. He has to restart to get it as normal. If you want to crash whole PC, then you have to put that code into a startup. Then PC will get crash. So guys, hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. So I meet you in the next video. So